This is Manny the Wonder and welcome to a new video. So for today's video guys, we will be unboxing two of our new member of Team Manny the Wonder. So before tayo mag-start, we would like to say thank you so much sa mga sumusuporta, continuing to join the team on Facebook, YouTube, especially on YouTube. We are ranking up right now. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na sumusuporta ng content namin. And for today, we have a treat for you guys. We will be unboxing our new member to bring you more beautiful sceneries, great content that people would love to see and enjoy. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's not take it too long. And for the first one, we have the Dare to Listen JBL Clip 4. So we have here, and also the next one. Ito yung talagang pinagandaan namin. Tinalong time waiting for this. A drone from DJI Mini 2. So kung tatanong bakit ko pinili ito, there's a new drone, the SE, and also the Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro. And ito yung swak sa budget natin. Okay? Yung budget talaga yung importante because this one, Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro, this will join the group. Alright? SE is good, but for 4K video, 60 frames per second, that's really good quality for videos guys. So pinili ko to and swak sa budget. So kaya ito na yun. And we have the Fly More combo or the bundle. And yeah, let's start with this one. Unbox na natin. Okay, so pag tayo po ay gumagala or kung sa ibang mga lugar, kailangan ng music, at especially kung wala kuryente, you can use this anytime as long as charging. Let's see, we have already 4C. Walang pangyo. Hindi to. In the box, we have the booklet. We don't need the booklet. Ako na yan. Okay, and so we have the JBL Clip 4. As you can see that, yeah, maraming kulay ang mapipili nyo dito. And nothing else. So, JBL Clip 4. And last but not least, the DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo. What's inside the box? Okay, so DJI. Okay. Natin. Yes, we have here, as I review. Okay. So, tanggalin na natin lahat. Remove everything. We have here. So, extras here, box. Tapos natin to, tingnan natin kung may here. Okay, what we have here, so meron tayo propellers, extra propellers. Baka masiba yung mga propellers natin. The screw. Let's do this first. This is the remote. Ito yung remote, guys. We have so meron pa ditong screw lang yan. Mamaya na lang. Alam naman natin, dyan talaga yan. Alright. Don't know what it is, but I think this is the manual. DJI already released the Mini 3. The first release was Mini 3 Pro, and right now the newest one is the Mini 3. So this is a booklet. Dito muna tayo sa mga accessories. Alright. On accessories we have, so ito yung para sa mga Android phone, kung hindi Apple yung gamit niyo para sa remote. Dito yung nakasaksak. Ito yung USB-C charging para sa drone, para sa battery. We have a charging brick. Since Fly More Combo, merong extra 2 batteries na kasama. Ang isang battery nasa loob ng drone. Okay. Another booklet. So, open natin, no? Ayan, may mga QR code yung nila. Unbox. Let's do this. Batteries. And pwede mo i-charge yung batteries. So, good thing. And right now, let's move on to the drone. Let's remove all the stickers. Teka. Let's remove this. Yung tip, guys, QR code. Ang lock lang. Come on, boom. Get a bit of boom. Right? Drone na tayo. Let's open this. May mga stickers din. Alright. So, yan na, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, all wonders in town, DJI Mini 2 and JBL, a new member of Team Nani the Wonder. Alright, so before we end this unboxing, guys, once again, don't forget to follow my page on Facebook, Nani the Wonder. We have also TikTok account. We are still improving TikTok right now. We don't have any content there, but sooner we'll be uploading some videos. And Instagram, Nani the Wonder, and of course our YouTube channel, Nani the Wonder. Okay, don't forget to follow, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you can be updated every time I post a video. And yeah, kita-kita po tayo sa susunod naming gala. And see you on 2023, guys. Have a great one. Peace out.